There's so much firstborn wanapitianga. Tondu tani riria ndatigirwo ri ne created a vacuum between my mom and I and my siblings. Tondu to them meshiragia I'm favored. Na they could have na maisha mari otahitukiire wonaga mari mega. Tondu according to them maugaga ndari mwende. And I'm sorry to say so, nindendetwo. No ndukariganirwo, that is not your dad. Niguka yako. The first time I got raped, I was in class 8.
We moko-ini ma shusho na guka?
But hiyo, I was coming from a studio. The rape kitu moja, no muhaga eco break. Kule amwema, after rape, hau niho andu matoi. After rape, he mundu kwenda arume revenge. After how kule aria mama thuraga na kule ule egucenjia dress yangu ili change dressing code. Kuma hende yo dekiraga I could even do booty short na and I'm very much okay na nguthi kule ngwenda like akoro mwanyitire ndena nguo what will stop you anyway. Alafu my first born nake akiingira into depression. Aka attempted suicide 3 times.
Niki?
We amenyerete kuona nyina way out when you arateithania ngandui. Arafu mwana wao ni arwara ndarahona twathie thibitari kila saa turero ni egukua ndangi survive. Twerirwo na iyo ni rare case ati ni mwana wa keri in the world. Kesi ya mbere ati ari in Germany na mwana ucio agikua.
Mwana wothe wa irigithathi kana firstborn ni akoragwo na rugano rwake rwa mwanya. Ona ni nyonete ndereti guku nenda-ini ona kana kuria ndathie kuna ukaigwa mwana uria uciaritwo ari wa mbere ni atwirwo muciari ari o munini amu niwe munene akerwo arore twana turia tungi. Rimwe ni ukoraga ni makuaga mirigo miritu muno ikonaini na family ciao, amwe makeima mathomithia ciana ciao, amwe makaumagara maria nini nigetha macarie miaramano na otogwo ndauga magakua mirigo miritu ya family na makahana ta muciari munina nini gukira muciari uria riu ni muciari thine wa muci ucio. Ng'ano ici twaigua tukaigua amwe ni maturaga na mageca thine wa ngoro ciao na amwe magatura muturire hihi wa kwirira tondu kinya hihi aria mari thutha wao mathire na mbere ni undu wa thithino ya irigithathi no thutha ucio ri matiecokaga hihi gukorwo makinyitanira kana makimenya uria irigithathi ria rikoragwo rigithie na mbere. Riu ni undu woguo ni tugukorwo tukirumanira na tafarira ya ariothe magikorwo mari firstborns. Ungikorwo wina rugano taru ungienda gushare rugukonie na we ungienda gu celebrate mundu ucio muciaranirwo niwe watumire uthome, niwe waikaraga gwake woka Nairobi, niwe uhuragira riria maundu mathie wega kana mathie oru, no utuhurire guku gwa kirathi gya Karo Kinyugo maurana muno makiria kwandika SMS kuria kwa WhatsApp 0722919062 na nitugukorwo tugikena muno riria turakorwo tukiaria uhoro wa marigithathi. Muthenya wa muthi tuikarite thi nomwe wa andu tacio uria ciaritwo ari firstborn thini wa mucii mwa okwao na ni muiritu ogwitwo Beatrice Wangici. Beatrice ni agutuhe rugano rwa mwanya uria akorire moko-ini maguka wao na ningi tucoke tuigue kigiriko kiria agereire thutha uyu thini wa muturire wake. Na Beatrice ni muiritu ukoretwo akiruta wira thini wa media kana nenda-ini na agakorwo akiandika ndumiriri njega kana andu atwitaga script writers a maundu matiganite. No hihi niki giathire na mbere agikora maundu-ini maria ari thini wamo ihinda-ini riri. Ni tugukorwo tugiikara thi nake aratwira ona ananyitwo kia hinya maita matatu. Reke tuthikiririe rugano rwake nigetha tuigue rugano rwa irigithathi. Ni njitagwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura na tafarira ino irugamirirwo ni Faraja Settlers aria mehotanire hari wendia wa migunda. Ni ngoretwo ngigwitira migunda kuria mwena wa Thika 50 by 100, kuria mwena wa Gatuanyaga turendia na thogora wa 800,000 Kenya shillings. Na angikota na mbia icio ndurabatara kuruta ciothe hamwe ni twitikiraga urute deposit na cio mbeca icio ingi uthie ukirihaga o kahora. Reke riu tuingire thiini wa ndereti nigetha tuigue kuma kuri Beatrice. Uhoro waku?
Wega biũ.
Ona niĩ ndĩ mwega biũ. Ngĩkũyũ nĩ ũkũhota wega. No na watukania tũtigũkũria.
Nĩ tũkũgeria.
Ehe. Ũhoro waku?
Ndikiuga nĩ mũru mũno. Tondũ ndĩ muoyo.
Nĩguo. Wow, that's good. Tũtingiuga nĩ mũru mũno tondũ twĩ muoyo na twĩ muoyo Ngai ndarĩkĩtie na ithuĩ. Tondũ rũciũ rwitũ no rwega no tukahota gũthiĩ na mbere na kũmatha kũrĩa tũngĩmatha. So I'm happy to meet my fellow media person.
Thank you so much.
Nĩ tũtambũrũkie rũgano rwaku na nĩ thengiũ nĩ ũndũ wa gũtũ welcome gũkũ. No tũngĩenda wambĩrĩrie na kũgeithia mwĩroreri witũ.
Okay. First nĩ ngũgeithia mwĩroreri o harĩa arĩ, hamarĩtwa njĩtagwo Beatrice Wangeci, na arĩa manjũĩ, ũrĩa manjũĩ na rĩtwa Kimberly. Na nĩ ndakena mũno nĩwe gũka.
Thengiũ.
Nĩ njũĩ wĩna kũingĩ wa there are so many places unafaa kuwa, but you chose to be here.
Thank you.
I don't take it for granted. Na nakuombea Mungu akubariki sana.
Amen. Amen and thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Asante. Rĩu Beatrice, nĩ ndakonda andũ karũgano o kanini tũgagũkonie. Kau ndagweta hĩndĩ ya kwambĩrĩria na nĩ njũĩ hena maũndũ maingĩ thĩinĩ wa rũgano rwaku. Tukiaria mbere ĩyo kamenya wĩ first born wakũrĩire kwa guka wanyu, thaa ici nĩ ũrarera twana tũtatũ ũrĩ wika. Nĩ wandarĩria ũhoro wa kũnyitwo kĩa hinya, no wandarĩria ũhoro wa kuma mũtũrĩre wa igũrũ o nginyagia rĩu haha ũrĩ mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ ũgacoka thĩ to this level. Na ndakorwo ndakumĩrĩria ndakwĩra Ngai nĩ ekaga maũndũ merũ thĩinĩ wa mũtũrĩre wa mũndũ, na toguo nowe wambĩrĩria uga twĩ muoyo. Koguo maũndũ mega no tũgũthiĩ na mbere na kũmona. Ĩtiguo ngwenda twambĩrĩrie na kuma harĩa kĩambĩrĩria. Beatrice ũciarĩirwo kũ?
Ndaciarĩirwo my granddad guka yakwa aumĩte Nyĩrĩ, no akagũra mũgũnda Kĩrĩnyaga. Na nguga ndikuga ũndũ mũru wake tondũ we nĩ ekire the best he could, tondũ harĩa nginyĩte ingiuga nĩwe he was used by God nginya harĩa nginyĩte thaa ici nĩ maũndũ ma cukuru na kila kitu. Na after how okay, I don't really I wouldn't say much because kuma rĩrĩa ndemenyire niĩ ndakorire he was my dad na shosho nĩ warĩ my mom.
Okay.
No ũguo rauga ũhoro wa first borns, there is so much first born wanapitianga. Tondũ tani rĩrĩa ndatigirwo rĩ nĩ created a vacuum between my mom and I and my siblings. Tondũ to them meciragia I'm favored. Na they could have na maisha marĩa otahĩtũkĩire wonaga marĩ mega. Tondũ according to them maugaga ndarĩ mwende. And I'm sorry to say so, nĩ ndendetwo. No ndũkariganĩrwo that is not your dad. Nĩ guka yako. Na ena ciana ciake. Koguo even the friction came in because for them monaga atĩrĩrĩ, how is it that you are favored more than I?
Yes.
Tondũ guka rĩ mũndũ ũrĩa ũrĩona mũndũ ũrĩa toĩ kũhitha akone akwendete kĩroko egũkĩra my Wangeci, what will you have? Egũthiĩ akũrehere onakorwo ena mwana by the last born wake. Hata mimi naweza admit sahi tondũ ndĩna ciana ũrĩa ni treataga ndũngĩ compare na last born wake. Tondũ rĩu niĩ ndarĩ mimi ni first born no ndĩ wa mwana wake rĩu first born ũrĩa endete. Koguo niĩ ndendirwo times 2 juu ya mtoto mwenye anapenda na rĩu niĩ am a first granddaughter. Koguo niĩ ona kũmwĩta ndamwĩta my dad, ndokire kũmenya baadaye he is not my dad. I remember he mũthenya ndoririo nĩ sasa my uncle, because I even used to say they are my brothers. Ati afadhali wewe unapendwa. But go ajirire nĩ nyendetwo kũmũkĩra. Niĩ thaa icio ndiarĩ, I was naive to say so. Tondũ niĩ ndeciragia ndioĩ andũ nĩ macenjagia nĩ ũndũ wa atĩ no mũhetanie na mũndũ tondũ nĩ wendetwo nĩ mũndũ ũngĩ. Tondũ yokire create kĩrĩa na kĩambĩ ũkĩona ona ũrĩa magũtreat there is an anger shaped in a love way. Riria utari ho nirio uraigua maundu maria mararia riu ugakora gutire na kiria mutiraiguana tondu guka ni akwendete nake ndoi iyo mapenzi ndio inaleta shida. To an extent there is even a time I ran away
kuma kwa guka wanyu.
Na to ni athamaga kiji no dirikane ndathiite gwa sister ya my shosh. Riu ria mamenyire kuria ndi guka hurire akinjira Wangeci ni ndirathama ndingithama without my Wangeci. Na gutire mundu akwariria na hindi urakarire kila mtu. I cried ngiuria atiriri okay ni njue ni anyendete no ni urarihira I mapenzi sana tondu riria atariho uraigua you don't deserve to be there and what you're getting is for someone else.
Yes.
In that time you're very young to experience all that. Onadoi how to work with the feelings ama the situation. Riu okire ugakora my mom nake agia ciana ici ingi
ta muciaritwo murigana
turiana.
Na ndenda kwamba gwikira disclaimer ati Beatrice akiheana rugano ruru akigweta about childhood yake araheana uhoro kuringana na hindi iyo without any hatred kuri muciari wake kana kuri mundu wothe araheana rugano kuringana uria kwari hindi iyo tondu maundu uria mundu arakura ni mathiaga magikaga atia magicenjagia riu githii na mbere.
Ni wega hau tondu kiria hindi iyo ni wakoraga my mom nake thaici to ni thiete through depression. I'm in a better position to understand her. To ni menyete at times ni weka maundu not because you hate your child but because unatoa ile anga na yeye na hau niho tuhitagia tondu mwana ucio has nothing to do with the situation you're in. Tondu rimwe ni wakoraga arakarite with no reason ni aratheka na yangi but wewe once you appear joy inaisha. Riu ni nilifind comfort kwa guka yangu na kiria kianduraga muno ni my siblings thought I had it all. I was happy tondu ni uraheo kiria uretia but trust you me I learned one thing with my situation. Money cannot buy love. Tondu I wish to sleep out with my mom than in that comfort cause there's something that even today na feelingi there's a space that no one could have filled but I didn't know by that time. Me I was this person napendwa na mimi ni mtoto wa guka hadi shule everyone used to call me that cause anything could have happened guka would go there within a second. But nimekuja kujua your first love should be your parent. Na inasaidianga sana. Todo even the mistake I've made in life at times na nimenyaga it's because I want to make up for things that I messed up that were messed up for me but I don't know how. One thing situation imwe do how to handle as a mother zingine you don't because shosho ni shosho. Hutakosea kuchape niona dile dahuro ni guka kana shosho na niwe spare a rod
spoil a child.
So you see na niiguaga andu amwe makiuga tabia zingine ni za watoto wa shosho na guka ndio wanakuanga spoiled brat but it's not because unataka tondu akononaga anashawa mapenzi yote akariganirwo na wahitia ni agire gugucorrect tondu nie ndatuaga ndihitagia koguo maisha makwa ni haria wetia kindu
ukaneyo
koguo
na guthaithwo
kwanza no ndikane ona ndariraga kure niguo ngigithaithwo na nguriro kindu ndari urasbonie hau na ndarane. You see as much as I used to blame them dekira iratu ciao ni nda understand cause the last born ona angiheo indo icio ciothe as much as you are good uta feel left out.
Yeah.
Because the feeling is the same feeling ndaiguaga na my mom. No, my mom gwake ugaga, since I'm a grown up, I'm supposed to understand. Tondu riria athire nao
we ugitigwo ona niho ngwendaga gukuria we wacerotwo niwe first born waikarire kwa guka wanyu aya angi atatu tondu muri ana ri maikaraga na your mom
ever
na
ni distance actually tumeachana na if you see okay ni mwiri Ngai ni ahea mundu favor but tumeachana na miaka but if you see us I look like okay hiyo sijui mbona lakini hiyo tu no ugakora ni twatiganire na kahinda which nyonaga kahinda kau niko ingia tikire ria to know my mom.
Okay, yeah.
Tondu niona bond iyo that's why I diendaga kumiss a minute with my kids. So enjoy a minute missed you can never recover. Uliuragia kai wathire ate no iyo time hukuona nikitembea ngithie cukuru ngirwara ngicokio mucii gukandi alikuwa mundu ungi naturally feelings zangu will be channeled to that person who was there. So it's not about hatred or favorism. Is that gap. But after a while I learned to please. I was a people pleaser since I was a child. Dekagondo tondu deko ngania ne gukena. Nika realize life yangu ina revolve around what other people want me to do or what will make them happy. And I forgot what will make me happy. The first time I used to tell myself nataka kuishi maisha mzuri cause that time ni haria wirago I never used to appreciate myself. And one thing with me, whenever I'm going through something, I hate mirrors. The reflection I see since I was a child, I don't like it. So even when people say you're pretty, ucoka na kiroko atiga nacio acio matioi
ntona ni twacamania ithe tugo ndakwira
na ndagucokeria
warigo ma
ya kwanza sai kiria I learned how to smile in pain. So the one thing with me ono kore hare orero ni ndagitari ni gukura kwa I always smile so that I can confuse the pain and the anger and everything negative that someone can feel in me. I learned how to suppress my pain na kuhitha. Tondu onaga doka ku reporting ania nejika ati ukwiro uranegena as who. Koguo you learned not to say anything. You unaendanga tu. The first time I got raped, I was in class 8.
We moko ni mashusho na guka.
But hiyo I was coming from a studio. Media, actually the first movie niliandika, I was in class 6 na sikuwa najua ni nini. So it was something in me from kitambo. So me I used to write songs. One thing, siali was zinaitwa these slow songs, the worship songs. And then I'm like, okay, worship and me is too boring. But anytime wenda gucenjio gakora no rwimbo ta ruragia. So when I was coming from a studio,
that hidi oguko Nairobi kana ko we class 8.
Yeah, a place called kunaitwa ni Eastlands. Maringo. There's a place called Shepherds. Kulikuwa kunaitwa Shepherds. There was a studio that was there. And I was coming from there. It was around 4 kulikuwa kunanyesha. Si usiku. Na kindo kia ndurire ni I was in blue jeans and a hoodie. So when someone wants to destroy your life, ti uria wikirite. A devil or a demon will always be a demon. So uria andu maugaga ati uria wikirite neo is the reason. I differ with that. So don't need ndendaga, me I had a covenant with God that I would keep myself to the right person so that I can prove to people you can be good. But when that happened, what broke in my, because rape kitu moja no muhaga iko break kuria mwema after rape hau niho andu matoi after rape he mundu ekwenda arume revenge after hau kuria aria mamathuraga na kuria uri egucenjia dress yangu ili change dressing code kuma hindi yo ndekiraga I could even do booty short na and I'm very much okay na nguthi kuria ngwenda like akoro mwanyitire ndena nguo what will stop you anyway. So many people would think I was loose and trust you me I was far from that. But the anger that was in me haingeniacha nikuwe decent. And plus I was in media, so you know media and decency dressing code, because it's not about what people don't know is mtu anaweza vaa buibui but tabia zake ni mbaya. So you should mostly know the reason for every situation.
Tekutu gocokie thutha hanini Beatrice. Hindi no urauma utuku urathiko hindi no we this time hindi no wanyitwo kia hinyari ya happenire ta ku what happened no adire borithi wainuka werire u like ebu tutaririo horo ucio wothe.
I was 13 daumaga studio kurekodi rwimbo yes I Lord you are my sunshine. And there's an uncle of mine. Hindi ciothe aumaga maju oka atumagira kakari ka grey every time. So riria ngari yokire na ni kwauraga ikihituka then ikirugama makihurira honi makinjitha. Me I went because in my ari mundu uria wa go pop in and out ona mutiamenyaga agiuka. Udakenire ngiuga and then I'm still young and kwa amekuja so hapo ni kubaiwa mavitu all that. Uthi nikaambiwa unaitwa hapo nyuma. These people sijui wanatumianga nini because they tell you the things you want to hear before the truth hit you. Venye nilifunguliwa nikachungulia they grabbed me. After grabbing me when I tried to wrestle with them wakanigonga na gun hapa. Nikakuwa unconscious. And they raped me. There were 3 of them. Then wakanitupa kwa barabara.
Same jioni.
Yeah.
Oh pole.
And my neighbor was the one who so me akanipeleka Nairobi Women's.
Did they report? Kwa polisi?
The neighbor reported but the Kenya we are yes. Does that even matter? One thing ona dio ene atia nguga sasa ucio neighbor ni waikarire na ni thibitari ndari hau like about a week or so 5 days to week. After that riu agithia kimerethera but guka hakuambiwa aliambiwa mimi ni mgonjwa because they were embarrassed with the situation. So for those years I had to endure that pain. I didn't know what ilikuwa inafanya kwa roho yangu. Because trust you me, I became someone that never knew what love was. but trust you me, because I'm an actress, I'll make you even think I love you. Mimi hata ningebet na wewe, oh, you don't fall in love, can we bet? That was me. Like life yangu iliturn kuwa an act. Cause my own life, I'm evading everything from my life with the reality. So I'd rather now settle for the acting Kimberly. Tuachane na the huyu. Because before upatane na huyu, you must be so special.
Yeah, true.
This one was the surviving one. After shule, I remember there's a...
After Form 4 or ama class 8?
After Form 4, sasa.
Okay.
I got a job ya translating a novel. Hii ilikuwa inaitwa Going Down River Road. Into a script, and I did. When I was coming from the board meeting, got raped again.
Yet again?
Yeah.
Wapi uko?
Down home.
In a span of how many years from the first one to he?
Like 3. Because from class 8
To Form 4.
Yeah. And what made me even feel bad is it's because Mimi, after rape, I used to regard men as they were nothing. There is no man I could see apart from my guka. And maybe someone close to me, maybe the uncles, I knew they cannot do anything. But anyone else was a rapist to me. So this man reached out to me, nikitoka kushuka gari, akanifuata.
Usiku?
Yeah, it was around 6 usiku sana. But ni zile masaa zinakuanga ni 6 but ni usiku. But it wasn't late enough for someone to rape you and no one hears. Because at times the devil separates you from the real world so that because sunaona hizi garage pali chokora wanalalanga. He raped me in a filthy place.
Ne akugushiria na kukana ne aikirete.
Alinifuata cause aliona ni hali na gashira katikati hiyo garage. Na mimi nikajiambia hapa si ni from this distance to here ndakuwa ni kupita balaa kuzunguka the long route, not knowing I should have listened to my instincts. After kufika hapo ali reach out, I had a sling bag akavuta kwenda kuchukua, alinivuta, and then when I tried nini akanishika mdomo. And venye aliniingiza hapo, it was a dirty place pali chokora hujisaidia. So after that I was so mad to the world, Mungu, kila kitu. Na niliuliza tu Mungu kitu moja, you knew what I wanted with my life. Yet you sat and watched them rape me again, just when I was trying to pick up the pieces. Again we went to zero.
Na alikuacha tu hapo?
Yeah. Kwanza I wish you could see the smile. Like hiyo ndio ilinima, okay, kila msichana ako na pride, but you see when someone is taking advantage of you and then laughing, hiyo ndio kitu haitokangi kwa like the laughter, you could feel it.
And then ukainuka. No haripotire kwa mundu wera
uria gwathina the way it happened. Hata nikwambia kitu moja, unless you pay them, and I don't care because it's the reality. Even the ladies have helped before wasaidike ni ngumu. Because even the people who are supposed to help them ndio wanawarepingi. So why even bother? That's why you at times unaambiangwa only God can be your protector. And after that, people judge you. Because I remember a very close person to me asked me, tunaweza alawaje urepiwe mara ya pili?
Karibu uretekeria. That's insensitive.
Yeah, people are pretty much insensitive because they see the negative outcome. See, as long as kitu haija kuhapenia. That's why kuna vitu. You see, counseling vitu kama rape and all that, you don't go to school because they don't teach you how to feel the pain of other people. Because from there, after hating the world and God and everything, God used to bring me rape victims and everything they've gone through. Then one day I sat down, nikajiuliza, did you had to make me go through that pain so that I can understand the feeling? Because I realized that time, that's when I came up with the organization. I was calling it Mindset Invasion.
Mindset?
Invasion.
Invasion.
Because I really wanted to invade in their mind to see what makes someone ache watoto, afanye abortion, all those things. And I realized at times, because wewe ukienda usome counseling, and then I come sit down with you, when I tell you I was raped, trust you me, you cannot connect with that pain. But if you went through that,
Naweza jaribu kuelewa.
And you won't allow that person to go home alone. Because really mi nyumba yangu iliishingi tu na watu. I had a 3-bedroom ilikuwa ya, nilikuwa naiita a safe space for them. Whether you don't have a home, that's a place you could call home. Or my place. And when you're coming to my place, you're not coming as a house girl. Ukuje relax. So that you can know there's someone who can love you and not misuse you. Because nowadays, even a lady can misuse you. It's a way two-way traffic. And that's when I realized, yes, God knew I had a heart of helping, but He knew I cannot really connect with their pain. It took me years for me to understand or to forgive what I was feeling, because to me, I had another plan for my life. Yet He had another one. That's why I believe what the word says, that everything happens for good. Because if I didn't go through that, understanding someone pain, nitakusaidia, nitakupea pesa ufanye kenye unataka, ndakutafutia nyumba, but trust you me, I won't have your time. At times, that time is what matters. When I call you, you pick up. That's all I need at times. You sitting down, listening, and me feeling you're connecting to what I'm going through, that's all someone needs. So I learned that, though the hard way. Hau niho ndambĩrĩirie ku lose a lot of people. Tondũ koraga andũ aingĩ makoragwo metĩkĩtie andũ a rape nĩ ũndũ wa mĩtugo. Maybe nĩ gwĩkĩra mũndũ ũcio ekĩraga ũru. Maybe nĩ mĩtugo yake. But reke ngwĩre kĩndũ kĩmwe, mũndũ ena meciria ma gũthũkia mũndũ, maica ma mũndũ. They don't need an access to tondũ nĩguo wĩiguaga ona mũndũ arakwenda ti atĩ nĩ ũndũ nĩona ngothi yaku. Mũndũ egũkwenda through all your pain and everything. Na ningĩmenya atĩrĩrĩ, tondũ andũ marenda waca already nĩma concludete maica maku, we no, ngiona mimi nikaingia kwa kusaidia. Tondũ onaga andũ aya nisipowaelewa, no one can. Wĩra wakwa warĩ wa mbia iria ngona cia media kana cia kĩrĩa, ngathiĩ ngeka shopping, ngamekĩra shopping. Arĩa marathiĩ akorwo nĩ gũthondekwo njuĩrĩ ndũĩ, ũka make sure me sawa mweri waku nĩ wathira ũguo and I was so happy tondu airitu acio matumaga wigue you're not alone.
Yes.
Moikara thĩ akorwo nĩ movie mura watch muku discuss movie mugutheka na ugakora for the first time nĩ maratheka from the heart. Tondu wamonirie ndurama judge nĩ uraelewa niki tondu rimwe wakora mundu akika nĩ urona abortion ni wondauga it's a spirit na once wahingura gacira kau it will always be the easier way for you tondu ona aria rape victim waingi tio maikaga abortion and then gwe ndagitari akwe to nie njugaga unless is the only way out ndukana advise mundu to do abortion aria meka abortion ingi ni mundu amenyerire ndagia ihu na ndire na ndirenda no kuruta koguo ucio ti mundu areka because ndari na option riu ugakora riu wakinya handu wa mariria ri na ni uramuhe handu ha guikara ukamwariria self esteem yake yacoka iguru akona I'm not the only one na kugia ndaka guciara haija limit maisha yangu most of the people aria wokete nao mathiete kuraihu muno tondu ona ndari nginya na rehab center no nyumba hoya akor mundu ni mure I have a way of the reason the taga foundation yankwa kiria invasion to ni njui ku intrigue na akiri cia mundu waikara thi ukamenya uyu aranywa ni undu wa giki na giki don't judge them waigira kiratu-ini kia mundu ni ukumenya atiriri not anyone can solve nini situation yake kama we maybe we riri urahitukira maundu ukienda out uko sawa he mundu ungi atoy uguo koguo o mundu ni akoragwo na the way you process your issues are different koguo wa maelewa makona at least yo ni aratuelewa ndaratu judge
niguo Daishi Foundation yo no irathi na mbere.
Okay, to be honest no mahuragira thimu ona thaici ni andu aingi muno ingikwira kuria mari tonda da forciro ukera mundu you have to find someone family dona kindu ngamutumira kanga mune ngarehe 4 years back mwana akwa Kalaspon gaciarirwo na certain rare condition condition itarioneka mwiri wake wothe warutaga mai mahira na thakame na dawa yake yari very expensive yakora dawa yake yakora 7,800 na ni thikũ 2 kana 3 at your best ugikora hindeo no have go choose mwana overwera tondu gutire mundu enda guikara na mwana wako to mwana wake kwane anungaga ni undu wa kireici na most of the time thibitari macini-ini kana nyumba mugutinda fani-ini na yeki affect kiria lungs yake na murimu ucio ungiumaga ngothi-ini wathiaga internal organs andu ni mageririe kuria amwe makorwo na theory anga niki tukamutwara agaikara na mweri kana thiku no acoka ugagucokia 0 tondu he nguo iria ageire gwikira he kuria ageire heho nginya thaa ici ria ndirakwira ni arero ati ni agwirwo machine ya oxygen ni undu wa lungs ugakora riu hau ni ndacokire thi tondu ndiraruta wira ni ndiragacugurikira ndi wika alafu my first born nake akiingira into depression attempted suicide 3 times
niki
we amenyerete kuona nyina we out when you arateithania ngandui alafu mwana wao ni arwara ndarahona twathie thibitari kila saa turero ni egukua ndangi survive twerirwo na ni iyo ni rare case ati ni mwana wa keri in the world case ya mbere ati ari in Germany na mwana ucio agikua koguo gakingira into depression tondu kau niko kari kana maiguanite to ni kahi take ugakora during that time rĩrĩa athire aingirie into depression attempted suicide 3 times
tonero na challenges iria we oragerera
tondu rimwe nginya gatuire kanjuragia niguo endete guteithania nikirira we na thina we gutire mundu aguteithagia kera no sawa God will send someone which hata sai na mwambianga tu okire within no time murimo ucio ugicokia zero bethe ona uria twa survivaga ndingiuga ati ni undu najua watu or anything it's God nikingwe muthenya wa mwisho twaneirwo mwana ucio tukirwo tugathike tiga kuna kitu anafanya ndoire mwana ngithie ndirikanaga wega twari Kiambu ngioka ngira Ngai atiriri ndirenda kumenya ni kanitha iriku ihinguritwo nyoni ire urenda athi neo nguthi kwari mandage hwaini tugikora CFF ihinguritwo ndathire hitukite nikapiga magoti nikaambia Mungu maybe ne mahetia makwa or anything but my son is innocent na as long as tuli uranyonia ni uramuoya I'll still hold him do something what no man can do ginya ndumona ata tathuki okay I was in depression but somehow ndahoyaga na ngamini ngera Ngai riria ukanyonia ni uramuoya ni sawa I'll deal with it na utanifunza how to deal with it but for now mwana akwa ndarathii kundu na ndego continue gusuffer kozaga ni kwambia mimi ni mtu mzima ruo ruwe na ruo transfer kweni whatever it is tondu ndakomaga mtoto alikuwa na uchungu throughout like every minute ona wageria kuikira kiratu-ini giake wewe na ni mkubwa ukaremo tulikuwa tunashikana tunalia nyumba mzima na ni ndo wa mwana omwe uyu ungi nake de thibitari uyu ara commit suicide na uyu murwaru nde hau ngoria Ngai ona ko ni gukihitia mone ahithagia kiwango iki si basi uniondole
hindi o wathia nginya therapy ya your firstborn aigira into depression ona muturira waku no wacenjia wow how is he now?
Okay, he's a very good pretender of pain. Liam can really okay, I think I'll adapt to me. Liam gives you what you want. No akorago, I will say my son is a genius because there's even a time athondekaga games online himself. Akioya ati athie guthomithio na mashindano US. Amerire siezi acha mam peke yake hananga mtu mwingine. Na akirega. Nigagioka akinjira mam hata nifanye nini sitawai kuacha. No ndiguo my son is
a firstborn again.
That's what I'm trying to avoid.
Turario horo wao.
Ucio kwanza is more than a first. He's my strength.
I would imagine.
Yeah.
Goria terire Grace. Beatrice. I know it might be personal. No thaicio ranjira wina ciana ici ciaku ithatu na muikaraga nacio guku racirera wika. Uri wakorwo hikite?
Okay. Ane kwirire you might embrace yourself tondu twetha karugano kega no twage kuona. Well, the reason why nini ndirarera ciana. The last time I tried I was married, yeah. Tutaita marriage because katiba inasema 6 months. Yeah.
Kayari idarigana atia?
Ilikuwa years.
Okay.
Sasa now but you see some people lazima usay I do ndio kweli.
Oh yeah, sure.
One day he became, you see, people saa zingine wanakuanga men become addicted.
Kureke guteka addicted na
ile kuri mundu onaga and then nona uria ugaga ati mundu to love is blind. Ni ndaranire kindu kimwe kuri andu monaga mundu ambiria kuona he cannot catch up with you as much as urenda kuonia mundu me as long as nakupenda ni enough it will never. Most of narcissists hiyo ndio inawasumbuanga mara ni arona maisha maku kuria wari na aria wakoragwo nao akona haizi match up to that tondu the insecurities I would say hizo ndio zilifanya okire agicenjia once then after that na ni twagianire for a while I have to remember when you have no one else to love you whoever will come along
yes
you will try to make them Mr. Right tondu you attract what you are tondu riria we ngoro yaku e broken family society kila kitu from those judgments attractaga indo negative tondu tha icio ungianjirire it's a wrong move ingia kwire aca and trust you me it was the wrongest move even from God I know but I've prayed for forgiveness and I've made peace with myself and the situation no riria okire akihinga murango agiakia mwaki
akiakia mwaki nyumba
ciana ihire kuo
ciothe ithatu wari mucie
tha icio Liam ndariho ni aeri aeri nio mari ku na agiakia mwaki aca mari othe to I remember ngiuria Ngai nimeenda CS zote and then I watch my kids burn
hindi o we wariku
etereire nyume guita uria uthia guita mai arafu akiuma ku twari sawa gucoka mundu maundu ona arario na ndongi understand ndirakwira ndonire mwaki ugiakana I snapped ndarugamire ndira move no maithori gutire like nilikuwa real depression I think zikamerge na bipolar kila kitu kutoka from there I was less talking more of crying ever
no wakuruteire ciana nyumba
neighbor mokire ginya metaga drill na kila kitu handu haria arume let me tell you it's very important wanaume na watu okay ndiwe nikimendaga ciana ciene ti ciao tondu in most case because they combined effort
wakawatoa
rira ndathire kumugwitha tonda ndamuikagia twari 4th floor walikuja akaniambia Kimberly this is not who you are unafaitia watu wako he's not worth who uende ndani juu yao
waigweta kumutindika gwe kai God is good ndo amwikirie toru ungiatigire twana twako
yeah by the unaona that's why unasikianga anga inaweza no erutaga kindu tondu tha icio ndaroraga kiria nyende tondu wonire ona huthira anything ndakinyete handu gutire kindu angijika nduro nataka kujiua haiwork kwa akiona the only thing unapenda ni watoto that is the only thing you care about so he used what I used to love
kai
what I still love still now and after that ndio niliambiwa hivyo nikaangalia ni mimi nikasema this is not me and you won't turn me into a murderer
yeah
never makiuga mamutware thingi mea no gutwara mundu thiini wako ni miaka 10 kaigana ni akauma kana arutwo ata within 1 year na akauga ni arihiire ataka hivyo no kiriro kia mwana every time ariguaga kiriro kia mwana kirimuririkanagia uguo because yes ni vizuri kioho no kioho kiria kiega ni for someone to be free kumenya ndwarihiire kiria wekire
ciana ciaku ni ciamenyire ciari hakuhe kuragwo
lia mona kindu kia ndurire ni muthenya umwe ngithie kwa rorire wake ndakorire akomaga na kahiu pilo akaiga kahiu hau kumuria njirire ti mama enough is enough hakuna mtu atawahi kuwekelea mkono nikiwa hapa
kai
nzeo kalikuwa sijui 8 I cried and that's when I started making my move nikajua this time it's me and my kids and I don't care. I've made my share of wrong I always make the wrong decisions. Ginya haria make decision uga ino najua ni mbaya juu ndio nimefikiria. So how about another one yenye sikuwa nimefikiria. But I can make all wrong mistakes. But for my kids, I will always try to do the right.
The right, sure.
Yeah. So I did right with them.
Moma nao kumwathire ku Grace. Riu ni hindi yo waikaraga ku hau na iretu acio.
I believe Grace is sufficient. That's why it's okay.
Oh my God. Why am I giving you the name Grace?
Grace.
Beatrice.
No
kone Grace ya Ngai. Beatrice, mama ku riu nirio mokire na guku.
Acha. No gutikarite muno. Tugithie Kiambu, a place called Ting'ang'a. Tugikara kuu. Na kiambiriria by the way I always bounce back. Ni haria heragwo nona ku wahanda mbeu. Ukisaidia mwenye ulisaidia might not be the one mwenye atakusaidia. But God will send an angel because I remember ona uria arugamire na mwana wakwa that time. Atumanaga kuma Nairobi West. I would mention jina yake because ajulikana. Agoka kaoya mwana tuthie thibitari. Akone indo iria arenda nguo tondu gekiraga aliambiwa na daktari anafaa kuvaa organic cotton. Ici ingi atinda agithwa even today. Until time yake. Unajua grace period ya mtu Ngai akurehagira agakurehera mweri uyu ni uyu egukutumira. After that tugikara kuu and then kuma kuu ngicenjia wira ngithie Ruiru. Ruiru I was planning to open a studio.
Okay.
Koguo ndaguraga indo pole pole. And twari na a 3-bedroom house. But kulikuwa na studio. Because I wanted to hiyo studio yangu ilikuwa kama ni production ni za hawa watu wamelemewa like wenye wamepitia uchungu. We do life stories. Okay. Riu uria tureka ici.
Ngai no agagukinyaniria Beatrice.
Amen. And not knowing that was only on another wrong move because I don't know why God will make it like that if it was a right move. Todo dirikana ndahurirwo thimu ni landlord de kanitha. Uria thiaga guserve tondu akone media tondu ri wira you can always chip in kwika kaundu. Ndahurirwo thimu around 6-7 hapo. Ngiro na ndukamake tondu mundu anjoya amenyaga ni kindu kiria unginjuraga nakio instant ni mwana uchire amefanyika ambiriirie na ndukamake ciana i thibitari no i sawa. Ngimuria me thibitari niki nyumba ni here no mwana waku arauga mauma na Jesus tondu neki egitinio moririo mwaki ucio mauma thema kiuga Jesus alikuwa ameshikilia.
Ngai.
Acio niona nejui Bible nejui Ngai na ni no aya mangi kwaririo ona uigua andu we Ngai. Ona ni kimera amekwambia hivyo ni sawa ni hivyo.
Ngai just after kwishokaniriria ni wambiriria muturire.
Yeah.
We
and
kira kindu gikihia.
Na it's not a normal thing cause I lost everything. Nderawate okay gite kiari gia puff and you know puff ne attractaga kiria na mwaki wanyita ku wathie bedroom wanyita duve ya kiria bado ikanyita. By the time wanatolewa mwaki wale imesambaa. Tondu rigona neighbor ne waugire ati aiguire kiria wole yake ikiwa moto akiwa uko ndani. Ni waumire agikora ciana irageria gwika ati kiuga mbuthe-ini. when I lost everything ndĩ thibitarĩ ndakorire mwana acokio macini-inĩ rĩrĩa ndakonire ngĩambĩrĩria kũrĩra njikarĩire gĩtĩ ndaigua kamũndũ kanyita na ona ndangĩhota kwaria wega mama so unalia si unajua Jesus ni beshte yangu na aliniambia sitagonjeka tena ambia hawa daktari twende home Taitha mabeie gutheka wakinjoia mtoto wako ako miaka ngapi na msijali huyu na ona he handu ndigane unaona riria twerirwo tumurute thibitari utuko ucio athia hoerwo agethambio na maguta hakuhe cuba ngima anointing oil ndirau ndirera Ngai niona ndire na niona ona mahoya ate ni nawe leo lazima mwana wakwa ndarathikwo guo manjira ukinya mucie tukaomba kawaida Liam ako ka first born tukaona tabia ya tuikaraga thi tukahoya nake kila mtu time yake aya mahoya Ngai no ya understand aruga yao after that tugithie toro ara sikuwa nataka kulala naye because I was
a bit worried
and then because I don't want as much as niko na faith I don't want yeye aende kwa mkono because it will never leave my usiku around saa 8 hapo saa 9 kutoka I think kutoka saa 6 saa 9 hapo I can't recall the time Liam akakuja kwa room ati mama DJ yako sitting anaimba kaambia Liam if you don't want to kosana usianze no I'm not in ati mama sichezi akarudi na nikakaa sayo nilikuwa nimelia macho imefura akarudi tena mama nadhani na jokes kwenda ako kwa giza sitting room anaimba
Kai
mwenye alikuwa naimba kuna wimbo inaimba ngo my daddy your baby
ananeka igwane gatheka
rwimbo wona mucemanie na ruoko arugamaga kauga wimbo yangu na Jesus okiriria gioka akigiria maithori akinje ati nikwambie tusilie tena Jesus ni beshte yangu ameniambia ameniponya kabisa sitagonjeka tena
koima
ndaikirire ngicoka bedroom ndore kana ka ghost ama ni kitu juu
ni mwana uri okunetwo ukirwo ni muthia wake
and let me tell you one thing niona kuma hindi adikreire uguo nyamu ciake ciambĩirie kuhona zinakauka na twamenyerete cia hona iraingira thiini tugieterera akindu kia mbere tweheririe nyumba yo ni fan twagikimenyerete hindi ciothe fan iguru after that ngimuria riu ambĩirie aya ona hone homa manyitwo ni homa gokira kamuria haya nyinyi Jesus wenu aja now he became talkative very active ni kama ana catch up na ile kitu yote ame lose hizo miaka zote kwa machine na kugonjeka na kutoka hapo ndio naweza kwambia jani yake ya kuhili ilianza
wow
even amazing. Now even now venye wanasema sijui lungs zina fail nini sijui oxygen me I know the biggest battle tumepitia
yes
mimi nasemanga yaje hata niende hosi niambiwe ati sijui nini I tell God it's your and actually funny enough anaitwa Jamal Kian na Kian means a friend of God so I think God protects the friend
a lot
so mimi nasemanga story ya Jay even saa yenye sina pesa ya hosi naambianga Mungu I'm taking your friend and I know somehow you'll come through and zaini nilimwambia I don't want to know how to work with that oxygen that is not how your friend should live his life sita nini mtoto wangu kwa machine ati ndio nikuange ready akifungana ndiye huyo that is not his life ile kubwa aliweza even this one
ataweza
somehow
wow nice Thank you. That's a good testimony. Riu ri nitoke tugithiaga ri kurikiriria. So riu nyumba yanyu ya hea ri wacokire riu mugithie ku?
Well, wina mbeca waona arata ingi muno. No menyaga arata ku when you lose everything. Because everyone who I used to call a friend bailed out. There's someone who called me. Akaniita Kiambu when I went. Within 3 days tukafukuzwa. Unajua gufindishia na ithatu ti kiria
ti undu muhuthu.
Koguo ni nda understand ona ni ndamenya gutie mundu gukuiga. It takes the grace of God.
True.
Rĩrĩa okire agĩtwĩra ndangi manage thaa icio nĩ thaa igĩrĩ ũraingatwo
cio tuko.
Hĩndĩ ĩyo na tũtirĩ gwa gũthiĩ wĩna ciana tukiuma. Rĩrĩa ndaumire
pole.
I remember tulikuwa tumekalia thaa icio na tutiarĩ na indo nyingĩ tondũ remember you've lost everything. Koguo wĩna tũindo tũnini magĩikarĩra hau. And then thaa icio ndĩ thimũ-inĩ ndĩrageria gwetha mbia, ndĩrageria hĩndĩ ĩyo ndũkariganĩrwo wĩra waku nĩ wa gũteithia. Koguo mostly andũ a foundation kana mũndũ wa gũteithia investment alafu investment zangu juu ya ũyũ nĩ ndathire down.
Of course.
Rĩrĩa ndagire nikasema unaona hutu tuchochoro twa Kiambu, I won't say the specific place, lakini kwena levi hau. When we were sleeping usiku katikati, I have a very charming daughter. Ka second born nikarembo sana na kapenda sana.
Dumwari nao street ni thaa icio tuko.
A man who was pretending to be drunk came and picked up my daughter. Wanted to rape her. She's young. And I'm like, you can never ruin, you cannot ruin. And niliambia Mungu, for me it's okay. Don't allow my child to be shattered from that age. I cried. So venye nilikuwa navuta, ungeona Jay akivuta sister, and that small, yani my pain was seeing my kids struggling. That's him. So
kamura igwa ne kana ka Beatrice Kararia.
So I ended up being the victim again. So
at that time,
matitene
like ndere
we are talking about like 8 months ago.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Akunyitire kenya mbere ya ciana ciaku?
Yeah.
Ginya kairitu gaku gakionaga?
Ginya thaa ici nĩ aragia.
Dota yaku nĩ maugire mbo
semanga shetani. Kaya rĩu kĩndũ ata understandaga uga shetani alichapa mama. Easy explain the situation.
Yes. Oh my God.
That was among zote iyo niyo yandurire na ndari arafu ni undu wa heho yo. Remember I'm asthmatic. Koguo twija heho nĩ nyingirite gĩthũri gĩkĩambĩrĩria kũhingana. No imagine ciana ciakwa iturĩtie maru manjigĩrĩire moko makĩhoya ti Jesus awaongeleshe. Na even in every situation ona ria guthukite makwiraga mam Jesus atafanya. They believe their option even if the world shut Jesus wow will come through. So at times ni ngihoya njira Ngai ona ni ti undu wakwa ciana ciakwa ura ikwitikitie come through for them.
Yeah.
After how nikashat tena
ne ukuthie borithi ne ugwita andu
ona nothing
ndwathire thibitari kana borithi
nothing.
You are not scared kana imundu ucio
direnda actually deranga finally let me die of something or anything. It is you who will be ashamed. I've lived, my kids have trusted and believed in me. Yani lakini kengwire
pole for that.
This way Ngai egocithagia na maundu mamwe maritu muno tondu na koro we are human. So it's unafaa kuwa na limit tondu uri waharira ugakira handu ndireraga mundu ungi ngamwira umenyaga ni ukinyete muico rire uraria
undu wiruo
no ndungi tondu ndaragia kambiria guita ona ndingiaria lakini thaici uri warira ugatuika nam tondu ni this after this back to back
mwathire ko Beatrice after tukucio
hinde oi ona twaikarire okuo tutire na gwa guthie ngihura na thimu ndithie
ndwahurire siblings aku hindi wakaimeko ndokumahurira mere maundu mari uragerera
rime ekegwere kindu kimwe kiratumire menye ku release hote ku release everything akohe kindu Ngai he hindi Ngai yakuhitukagiria maundu and ana separate everyone uria ngi rugama nawe either muhitanie kana mekire niona like Faro Ngai yuaga nie alifanya nini yake ikue ngumu koguo some situation ile andu maugaga ati my mom could not come through angao rimwe korao ni Ngai
ekirite oguo
niguo nduga yani nginya kire urahitukira to nderire Ngai if it can only be ni wewe nikio hitukagira maundu ma mothe na ndikuaga tondu every situation hitukire ona riria njirago alikuwa amekufa tujui amefufuka aje ama ni maita maingi koguo njira mundu ni ngathie riria Ngai akauga mwenyewe tondu na riria andu mauga ni ndathie I always come back Thaicio ngihurira muiretu ngiakinyia njuke riu Kasarani ndire ndakinya ni hindi ya mbere guka ngihosto na ciana ndukariganirwo ni thani cigana
kai ni inya totwa na ntotatu nawe
ndirikana he muthenya ndetirwo wira uyu wa migunda ngithie ngiheo idea njagirire kurihwo na commission kwendia mugunda hindi nduri wa guikara nduri kindu ngihura mbica na nduraheo fare ngiuga okay asanti lakini netokendia to
at least was settle
yeah riu hindi oi after that nirio ndakire ngiuria atiriri ngiuria Ngai okay now tumefukuzwa again tunaenda kwa street na ciana ciaku na githuri giakwa na ndirahota undu kimwira riu this time either you act ama tondu hindi giandamwira at least ai hata nikufe hata kanda enda the other side bora nimetoka hii dunia cause now unaona we nita utwikite murigo gwi ciana tondu a mother should protect tondu riu ndirona nio mara ni protect ngimwira no it doesn't work like that and I cannot fail for my kids uteithĩtie ciana ciene ciaku nĩ cio ũraremwo Yuria twaingatirwo he muthenya ucio ndathiete gutwara kwa interview ĩyo ndatwarite ciana handu daycare o guku ngicoka he mutimia ucio ngimwira ndamutwarira ciana ni ngucokera riu idea yari ndatwara nyambe thie ni makoneka no connection ya
kahende ingi
gatwara borithi kana children's home ni ngametha but connection yangu na watoto wangu ndathire kuma stairs ine ngiremo kicoka kimwya can I talk to you as a mother kimwya to be honest
ni kumatiga ngomatiga
na gutigo ndirathi to ndire na no ni njuyo na ingikoma nja ni sawa no ndirenda ciana ciakwa ikome nja ringi aliniambia uko serious na wewe unakaa smart okay iyo Grace unanita
ngwiciria niyo
na ti njega rimwe tondu ni rutuma andu
gateithika mundu onetwo tena bata kana to tena thina ucio rauga
uthiaga handu nduri yani ona ndukomete nyumba hindi orero ni mundu aguteithie ukoria Ngai okay thank you for the grace no ra expect yate ona ndeithike ndukindeithia riwe tuma mundu uria ku understand beyond that grace unanipe tondu ona thaici no gakira Ngai nera kimenya ndogo he andu agistopire time haria wari akiuga ikaraga hau nginya riria ngagucokera
mutumia ucio wage kwira uguo
anjira uko serious unajua nimekuona nikakuadmire usijali siwe wa kwanza but naona ukiendelea kuniadmire unaweza shindwa ukiendelea kunijua ajirire hende ndinaka niona tu kunia tu 50 akijulia na vitu zako ziko kwa ndio hizi na inaziana ithatu akijulia hizi ni za nani kama usijali
ka mwathani ma
niwe aikarire hau he mutimia akoragwo TikTok endagia iratu hau the akijia hapa dakika moja ndio ndireuria kimba rimwe ni kwa sawa tondu uyu ndakuwi na ni muikamba okay unege kuno uthie mwarie at least elewe uyu ona ni kumweretha no kone kumenya kwanyu ribu ye ku understand yate na ndajui God alimpatia mzigo yangu agithie makinyitana kone na makinjaririe amwe makiugaga angado no riria wina thina you take
you ignore anything ero
ura bleed theine
yes
makiuga tondu ndina muthuri na urio hana muthuri wakwa ndingimutrust nawe koguo ndungikara guku
Jesu
ni sawa naelewa thiko icio na ndungitrust mundu nginya na sister yaku so naelewa afu riu manjiraga atiriri umwe wa uria arehirwo ngurubu to mokire mari atatu riu agia na gikamba no ni ndiranyita tiano nge kizungu na kona mashida ni hale umenyerete gutukania koguo unajipata una nini
that is true
riu hindio urarigwo ndungicokia riu ugetua na ndu mokire kumanya baadaye na ile wangu kikamba ya juu riu mwanjuragia hiyo time yote umekukishika lakini naelewa wangu saa zenye na nimepay attention si saa zote ukimonia ndo
tikagiriria nyita maundu mothe
magithie maki muitimio cio wa TikTok akiuga njetherwo nyumba wewe mwakiuga amsimtafutia ya mawe haezi afford kulipa after that tondu maugire marandihira mweri o ucio ngithie ketherwo nyumba ya mabati
o guku turi Kasarani
ana nekukonia na hau nyumba yo ni ya mabati ndiri kioro tondu kioro kihingikite maggots ciurite ku koguo ndiri kioro wina ciana alafu kuma muthenya wa mbere yauraga snails ni njetigirite anything that moves mwathiaga mwaheo irio handu guthie gukunura uguo ikaingira irio ingira nemugukiria
acha
alafu hau gatagati bea cia black riu ciana nege iraorera kuriwe nawe mwenyewe
ni uracietigira
riu nderaga ndameraga hapa ndio munaita sasa Jesus is your only savior not me riu alafu riu
Beatrice gutire itabeko
ne kiria
oima
alafu
but you've been through a lot
alafu riu hauja hau hali na irima riu maga maggots mwana wako munini eraga andu ati kwetu kuna mama gets riu mageciria
mama gets
riu apronounceaga tondu okay language yao ya kwanza kuna ilikuwa kizungu ya kwanza so wali ili nini ili wale sasa riu hado wa maggots augaga mama gets riu bali kwa mama gets
ni ndo gwemoke mone
riu mokire kuonio makiona nima Ndio anapeanga jina mzuri hivyo mtu anadhani ni kitu spoa.
Waikarira kwa how long?
For 3 months
in the same state.
Yeah. 3 months na na ndungihota nginya gwika atia na ndurare Ngai atumire director kuria ciana ciakwa ire tha ici okire muthenya uria mieri 3 okay kejuge kindu funny niona depression na maji
azipeleka nangi yeah hiyo ni ukweli
ni ndioi ndaikarire alafu gutire bafu umete sawa no kagutire bafu gutire kire for 3 months I was not moving, I'm not doing any ngomete hau na most of the time okaka nilazimisha irio na like nini zangu na ndokariganiro I'm pregnant
from the rape.
Yeah.
No hirenda hideo.
Yeah, ilikuja ikapatikana I'm pregnant. No ndathire na mbere like I don't care, I don't have ni sawa.
Okay. Irio hideo kuruta ku ciana cia kwiraruta irio ku.
Ndaumire muthenya umwe ngiurura tondu twatinda tukikuhoera tukikwira Jesus anakuja. Mwe kiuga nyume nja niguo magitike kuigua hizo voices. Hideo na guthie ndungihota. I landed to that school. It's a rescue home but ikona shule. Gethie kiuga ndirenda kwaria na direct and trust you me even that time. Favor mtu aoni hata unakaa shida. Nginya wethamba ndwithambaga. Tondu anjuririe okay haukai vizuri but haukai hivyo vibaya. Rire okire gwa ku. Ndathire kiuga nara kuongea na director about what I want to talk to director. I was referred to her. Na ndio nadie kana haka ni agioka. Oka anjirire how may I help you? Damwiri honestly speaking I don't know. I just feel like I had to come here. Why I don't know. Kumbe ameokoka. Kenjuria niambie nini unataka ngimwambia ndio no what I know my kids needs saving.
Yeah.
Kenjuria why? Can I take you somewhere? Kenjira ndikoe. Ona ni ndikoe no ndiraigua. Ndireka uria arenda for the first time ndirafuata uria Ngai arenda. Ngikime no kone nitathikagiriria. Akiona ngoyo ni muguru eke tuthie. Guthie akorire ciana hari ire icika athwanja kula siku karibu 2. Ambire gucoka cukuru akimekirira irio akimarehera. Akinjuria wikarite haha ngimwira ni mwezi inaisha. Mweri ucio nyumba yari hao 27. Ukimiona ile ahanaga. Akimake a point every lunch time irio ciake agapaka karehera ciana. Okaga make sure ni maria akamarehera mai ma kunywa. Afu rire nani ndingiarumire kindu ciana itahunite. Sorry. Riwo kire irio cio ngiambiria gwika kinjuria. Na mbona unangangimwa well ni ndaripirwo na ndina I'm pregnant. Kinjuria na condition yake thaicio rakoma thi wina thina wa githuri giki develop riu nikio uraigwa nderiro iyo chronic pneumonia ya affectire side ya heart. Even today kuri hindi asthma ikini attack iyo kifua na shinangwa kupumua. There's even a time I'll pass out. Makiuga njagiye kuhurwo mbica ankana kuthecwo macindano angaicigana teanga around 27,000 kimenya icio
na nduri ureka uguo bado
kimenya icio si Mungu unajua sikukata take charge. Ria ndathire muthenya umwe agioka akinirifa he mundu agindwara akinjira thi taoni vitali it was massive what something like that ngithi ria ndathire nina ndiathire ni undu wa ruo tondu remember niona ni ndamenyerie ruo am numb to anything. Kiria yari around 5 to 6 months. Guthii makinjuria ni waigua ruo? Hapana. na umekuja kwa nini? Nimerifaiwa tu kuja check up. Mandumire test mingi. Afu mbisa ndirahurwo ukona ureko ati ndiraigua ruo. Ya mwisho ngitũmwo ndagĩtarĩ mũnene akĩambĩrĩria Wangeci we wako awamenya mũndũ akwarĩria ũguo nĩ ũmenyaga nĩ ka pep talk nĩguo drop the now then ngĩmwĩra okay ndagĩtarĩ menyerete maũndũ maingĩ njĩra nĩ thĩna ũrĩkũ akĩnjĩra ndũraigua ruo mwĩrĩ ngĩmwĩra akĩnjĩra well tweka text twahũra mbica ta 3 na ironania mwana akuĩrĩire nda wiki ng'ima
hituku.
Ona ameoza kutoka hapa, alikuwa ameoza hadi kichwa. Akinjira twaruta thakame ndũrĩ na poison. Rĩu tũrageria ku understand case yaku na hĩndĩ nĩ mũhonoku. Akinjira okay, nie no ndĩmĩrore in a perspective of a saved person, njuge nĩ Ngai agũ protect ngĩmwĩra nishazoea. Ona akuĩre nda kama hataki kunichukua. Kijana rĩu gĩthũri kĩu gĩaku tũgwĩka atĩa? Ngĩmwĩra tusha deal na the most important, njũkire nĩ ũndũ wenu kĩu ata deal nayo. Ndio ndahuhia siwezi pumua juu inatokea uchungu huku na umageretie leo kutibu pneumonia yenyewe inakataa juu wanasema wanafaa kujua kifua kama imeaffectiwa yote na heart. Kamera haina shida. He will do something. Ngiro rĩu hena option. Option 1 uheo dawa iria cia gwĩkĩra haha tondu nĩ mũbuthu already aume. Hĩndĩ ndirahũra mbica arafu maranjĩra maretigĩra already wĩna operation 4 koguo maretigĩra nĩ ũndũ wa contraction. Kimera basi kama ni hivyo ndirenda gũkua mbere ya ciana tondu kitu ikaenda wrong mbere ya ciana, ndirenda mbica ĩrĩa magakua about mama yao niyo. No nirifae osi makinirifa thibitarĩ ingiona rĩtwa rĩake ona ngoma ndangĩenda nĩ ũndũ wa kĩrĩa ndonire. Ndathire kũu rĩu menye matirenda gũkuĩka atĩ izo za contraction tondu kironda mauga nĩ already nĩ gĩkua atĩ thĩinĩ no inaweza pasuka. Ngĩrwo atĩ option nĩ mechanical sijui induction. Ndekĩragwo baluni kũu thĩ ngohererwo maĩ lita 2 ati ihingũke naturally.
Jesus.
For a week yakinyire andu
ciana hĩndĩ irĩ nao
marĩoika. Na ũrĩa mũtumia ũcio ngĩmwĩra
ndoragĩra
free time
ndorera.
But Liam was there.
Oh yeah, first born again.
Kiwa mtoto. Ndathire thibitarĩ manjikirire maita 3 yauma ngahũrwo mbica makauga ndihingũkĩte kana yahingũka within minutes ikahingana tondu I'm not used to that. Rĩu maugire the only option nĩ kĩrĩa operation ya gatano. Ngĩmera the operation I'm waiting, the death awaits me operation and I can feel it. Like ndarĩ na gĩkĩ feeling ndaingĩra thieta ndikuma. Na I was convinced
wathiĩ ndũgũcoka.
Ndigũcoka. Koguo mandireire hagĩkinya handũ unajua akorwo ndũcainĩte matingĩgũtwara. Ndagĩtarĩ mũnene okire akiuga mũtigatware Kimberly kama Jagri na mutige because inamtraumatize. Ona athiĩ kũu ndawa ciake arafu gĩthũri nĩ kĩahinganaga. Remember pneumonia na ndawa cia thieta obviously igũkũ affect. Rĩu okire makĩnjarĩria. I remember there's a doctor okire akiona ũrĩa ndĩra bleed agĩita maitho yake rĩu avoida gũka wodi ĩyo. Kĩnjĩra takuombea watoto wako watabaki bila mama. muthenya ucio he ndokirire he rwimbo ndathikagiria ruinago There's Another in the Fire, hii story ya Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego. Nikaomba tondu wira wakwa wari kuhoera andu thibitari magathie makagea ciana makandiga hau. Yatekire a phone call from my son akaka last born kahurire ngiona kiria ngiciria na ndamenyeire bad news ndona kindu nyona nginya ni ndamekete statement kuna kitu ime happen. Ngiwa nikaje mam nikwambie kitu. Edete muchere muno ati Jesus ametupe mchele tumekula tukashiba. Ati alafu Jesus akaniambia mama siogope ataleta mam home. Beste Jesus. After phone call nimeweka chini ndelile daktari nipeleke dieta. I'm ready. Kinjoria nani umeongea naye? Nikamwambia mtoto wangu. How old is your son? 4 years. Magitana kile nini wote makansela wote wa nini I'm insane as in nimechizi kama wao wameniongelesha hadi kansela wote hawaja
but your 4-year-old amekuconvince
na nikaisikia. See, the funny part ni unaona ligu haya maroka kujariria ule okire na name tag ya Meshach. Kimulia witagwa what's your name? Ya Meshach. Kaambia umekuja kufanya tumekuja kuongea na wewe. Akamwambia no, haujakuja hapa kuongea naye. God has sent you to confirm something. Nikamwekea ile song kwa nasikiza. Nikamwambia hiyo story unajua ni ya nini? Akamwambia this is a story, there's another in the fire. Hiyo ni story ya Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego. And your name is Shadrach.
Meshach.
Meshach. So Mungu amekuleta kuni confirmera it is true. Atakuwa ndani ya hiyo theater na ni atanifanya operation and I'll come out. Naso kile makiuga huyo ako sawa. Dagitari mwana ni agioka rimora dagitari okire agisaini akiuga nini ndiramutwara that madam nini ndiramu operate na ndirenda kuma nake alive moranagia okay uyu no tondu munene nda operate agukunwanga thibitari ingi aigerire nani ati ndake njuria twethie thandirikanaga kinjuria what's the name of your last born? Oh yeah. Ndakumenya uya aratumika ngacenjia hakiri nanga yani I'm so convinced. Kwa ndamwiria ti wona nifanyia operation. Nega ekujika operation yo. Koguo I know. Hakuna palita miss. Na hideo githuri wekiritwo ndawa cia pneumonia niguo at least ndekatige ngoro ndigakiro.
Kai uri hau
na ngiuma.
Wow. No ki reconnect na twana twaku.
Wega biũ. Ndamakorire mokire kanjurire. Mam, suna na Jesus amekule. Yani even in the midst of storms. Omonaga Ngai ũrĩa ekaga. Riu after a while kuria twari ni twathamite hindi iyo. Kuria twari
ni mwathamite kuri rogo kwa na maggots and whatever.
Maggots.
Mama gets.
Kuria twari yari rumu. Twaingatirwo tondu mwana uyu wira wake ari gukira akera andu uria Jesus ni mwega atwikite ni ta pastor wa andu. Riu muthenya mutimia ucio wakundokire kwiro kuri uria mena Ngai ti wega. Riu muthenya umwe mwana uyu agwithirio. Ngiuma wira ndakorire rurimi ruhana u. Amemwaga damu ulimi inakaa hivi. Ngiuria ndiahurirwo thimu riuria mwanjira mam singekupigia juu na kujua. Nilikuwa nataka ukuje ndio umpeleke usi. Guthie thibitari ndagitari anjuragia ile uchungu iko na huyo mtoto na karageria kunihaga kinjira gakirira akanjira Jesus ataniponya ndio na kanua gatirahota kwaria ngiro no aheirwo antacid antibiotics juu ya germs but hizi dungwa shindano ulimi yezi koguo ni to trust iyo nini yake ita heal mutimio cio before 6 nĩ warĩ wa mbere gũka no kũrora mwana rũrĩmĩ ndiũĩ rwacokete atĩa nĩri oya mwĩrire atĩa Jesus rafiki yangu ameniambia ataitapona mutumia ũcio acokire arakarĩte kuma hau atwandĩkĩire notice ndarenda mbia citũ na tũthame
mũthame
noguo nĩguo twathamire
mũgĩũka gũkũ oma gũkũ ikarĩte how long
kuma 6 is your 6 around 5 I think ni 5 something like that alafu tukiuma kũu indo injai akiuga atĩrĩrĩ mam sasa tutoke kwa hii nyumba ya shetani twende kwa Jesus mutumia ũcio aiguaga like mtoto ni mwana no he maundu ugagoka menya tiwe araria
true
rĩrĩa twokire gũkũ he wĩra ndonete ngiona at least things will work out wĩra-inĩ kĩrĩa cia thitima ciagũire wĩra ũkĩrũgama ũguo
warĩ wĩra o ũyũ wa media wa kwandĩka
okay ndwarĩ wa media though tondũ ndarĩ na network kũu koguo nĩ ndamenyaga kuventure kwa media it's easy tondũ kwarĩ na wifi warĩ wĩra wa mambo na lights rĩu ngĩruta ũguo ngĩrĩha mweri wa mbere rĩu rĩrĩa kĩrĩa cia thitima ici ikĩngĩ cia thitima gũkĩhũra wĩra ũgĩthũka ũguo ningĩ gũthũka tondũ ciana nĩ cia sponsoretwo cukuru rĩu rĩrĩa mũndũ akuona nĩ wathondeka njuĩrĩ hanini hiyo ni kujifanya makiambĩrĩria kũrehe thĩna wa sponsorship anga ndũĩ ngĩra Ngai ũrĩa ũrenda na mwana wakwa ndũkariganĩrwo kaikarire mũciĩ na rĩrĩa agathire cukuru gathire kahĩtũkĩte nĩ like ũcio na kũmũima kĩrĩa nyũmba njiguaga ũru tondũ nĩ wonaga it's a lot and a lose rĩu rĩrĩa twekire atĩ nyũmba ĩgĩtuĩka issues ũgakora kũrĩha nĩ issues ũyũ gwĩ diet wĩragwo no mũhaka ũmũhe ũkaremwo afu nĩona nyũmba ũrĩa kũu kuraga kwanza ndiga nĩ wĩiguire he kĩrĩa ciĩkagwo atĩ na gũkũ igũrũ citaga sewage citaga thĩinĩ kũu
wa nyũmba
and then kwaura kuraga raini kũu koguo na harĩa marakoma nyũmba yenyewe huku kuna kaanga fridge na umenye ũrĩa aeritwo avoid heho na gĩko so kila kitu yenye anafaa avoid haiko iko hapa ugakora rĩu rĩmwe wauma ugakora nyũmba nĩ hinge kana ugakora rĩmwe gũitĩtwo takataka thĩinĩ wa nyũmba
nĩ ũndũ wa arrears ũgeka atĩa rĩu ũgatindĩkana kũu kana
rĩu what I do because the law what actually mostly ũrĩa njĩkaga ukauma uka make sure mwana nyũmba ona kondo gũikara hanene tondũ ndangĩhinga mwana nyũmba no the moment you make a mistake ona ko nĩ nduka wathiĩ ukauma na othe nĩ ũguo na rĩu no imagine Liam nake my first born rĩu thĩna ũkoragwo oka gũkora na situation ta ĩyo akambĩrĩria ku nose bleed ambĩrĩria nose bleeding yake nĩ nderirwo nĩ mental tondũ nderirwo mamuhea kĩrĩa dawa cia ku reduce ati maugire hakiri ciake ihũrate cia mũndũ mũgima koguo mamuhea dawa iria ikũmũcokia eciragie ta mwana which nose bleeding yake until nikae chini na yeye nimconvince am okay rĩu nĩrĩo wonaga yambĩrĩria ku reduce gakanjĩra ati mom Jesus atakurudishia pesa usaidie watu tena si tunakuamini maheire rĩtwa njĩtagwo superwoman jera gwate Wonder Woman tia mama is Wonder Woman Wonder Woman mama feelingi kwa battle jera dika ona rĩrĩa atienda watu wakikuchukia wote wakuache si tuko hapa si mama sisi ndio nini yako
those are good kids
tari nĩ ũndũ wa gĩthũri which tĩreirwo ĩra fail kũigua kĩrĩa dawa nĩ ũndũ wa kĩrĩa it's connected to hiyo kifua na heart venye imekuwa weak and plus tule tu pills na meza kufungua kifua ime get into system ika weekend riu utuko rimwe ndahinkana to ni uretigira okay asthma attack ikikupata kama umelala huo ni wothiaga
okay.
Sasa si nilimwambia riu mande mwire ndakoma
aturaga haha
tariu mothe tariu ni athire ndio aliniambia aliitwa juu awapendi akimiss exam cause yeye ako among the tops so anataka represent shule hata wakimkuza exam hawatakangi sana akimiss akomire kitu 438 hapa
aguthikiriirie
gaikarite thi mara mam ini maji moto mara ndirekirwo mai maguru-ini mahiu ngamwira the more I expose because iyo maji moto ni mega no mahora rimoka marehete heho kaheo makunywa riu arerirwo ati ageria sijui no aramuheire ati asali riu anje mam ile pesa utapata next tununue asali mingi tuweke hapa nikwe na kutengenezea usiku riu alafu riu ndirathie he muthenya nilikuwa juzi on Wednesday nilitapika karibu karai mzima ali haha riu nderirwo ati ni H pylori
right now Beatrice what you need ni bia nigetha uhota kwamba kurigitwo uhoro ucio mukahota kuona toro nginya na kana gaku na at least wekwo test okay so at the end of the show nitukuneana namba yaku in case anybody would like to reach out nigetha ukorwo ukiona urigitani thaicire Beatrice kwe wira uraruta because you have your 3 children no nginya ufatare kumahe gya kuria gya kunywa githomo your medication as well thaici niki wikaga
well to be honest geretie kuika ati alafu rimwe ni ukoraga condition ya kana gaga kanini ni irakugiria guthie wira urathie kuraihu and then pia sasa condition yangu tondu ikinyete handu ndingihutia mai na irenda inhaler na rimwe na guthecwo cindano ihinguke ugakora riria urenda kiria medication iyo nduri ni urenda test cia githuri na wanasema heart na icio kinya H pylori though marauga yote ina wrap up ni stress riu ugakora mbia iria ndirenda cia kire icio ciothe na mwana uyu because ya oxygen it's next to impossible tondu na haha even the worst we are in a very worst place but awezi toka tondu na kuria uthie urenda kiria urenda deposit na nyumba riu ugakora afu ni maisha onako matimenyerete at least somewhere uramenya ona wauma mwana ni ugukora safe ni wega tondu handu ngiuga ati no korwo handu na your mind is settled ciana isawa
so thaici gutire wira like wira wa guthukuma gutire mushara wina guo kana any source of income
hapana
but I feel you're still very good at gugatia nona wira ucio wanjira warutaga wa script writing na maundu macio mothe ndiraigua you still have something in you area bado ingikunoka kana ndiye nguga atia iria bado ingihuthika nekirwa ri kindu kinene ndiye grace kiu niki but I think you still have something still in this media I think even something online ndiye I just feel hari kindu no ndiye niki kiu but are you looking out for any opportunities assuming no wathie thibitari no warigitwo maybe what kind of jobs can you handle ni undu wa mundu kwiroreire ni kunjirite ni wathiete thukuru hanini guthomera media though ndwarikirie but what can you handle what can you do ni to nginya ukorwo githii kunene there are people nowadays who need their jobs done online as long as kwina wifi urahota kuruta wira nayo but probably what would be your appeal to the people ni wira uriku ucio raigwa to ngihota kuruta
thaici okay wira uria njui ngiruta ni ndona wira wa online I'm very good in marketing.
Nice.
Na guteithia even the welfare ndirendaga if there is a way ingikorwo na foundation ya registration muzuri afresh because whether andu aguteithia andu aya angi when I make someone smile nasikianga fulfill something so I know I must help myself first niguo nyume haria ndi no kindu ya marketing ona ko ni kwendi indo online there's even a time I was looking for something I can do if I can be able to start up ona ko ni wira wa kwendia iratu kana ni duvet or something online ukatukania na ici cia my interviews as long as no wone thimu njega wone thimu njega na laptop njega na the rest even without dogathio na lights and all that that one can be a good start.
Yeah, sure. I agree with you.
Yeah, todo thaici wauga media I've approached so many media but wirago weterere and you know ni haria matarenda gukwira it's impossible because everyone is there nowadays so and it's not like kitambo so I understand so you have to be creative enough for you to start up something makukore ugithie na mbere na kindu tondu ikoragwo easy mundu ku come in gukuteithia kindu wambiriirie riu hau ni wakwa ona thina so korona nyambirie kindu I know me ni ndire mundu muguta na I'm creative I can be able to maneuver around na nyone ciana cia tondu na kwina kambuni renda marketing advertisement icio ciothe na ingiona alafu yake ngwire tunasikia ugonjwa zangu they are stressed afu ndimenyete guikara nyumba na na kumenyaga ciana ciaku always unatafuta ya siku ndio hivyo it's very stressful na mwana omwe ni ashatu kwa hiyo alafu nejui once I get to be out there ona wiguaga tondu ona as mother ici ne hindi yambiria kunhe attacks riria ndisawona ne ndikanagirwo because iko wired na stressed one you are every time akili yako up and down ne nogaga koguo ingikorwo no ndo ndireka witness aku promise I won't let you down.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you and I truly pray for you. I wish you well. I wish you all the best. Mimi ninataka Beatrice huyo the next time mimi najua Mungu atakuwa amempeleka to another level because Beatrice even as you express yourself wina njira njega ya kweji express and I feel there is so much potential in you iria Ngai agukorwo akiruta ona makiria to do what you would like to do ni undu wa twana tutu twaku ndatwana twana tuthaka muno ni ugeretie fiu and the fact that you're able to smile even ugereire morito-ini kengwire andu aingi magereire morito-ini mengano njega muno matuko-ini macio mangi uroraga mundu karigwo ka niwe waheanite rugano ru tondu kwi maundu mega macokire kumuma thutha and good things will follow you Beatrice and your children na niwikite wega kumarera moi Jesus kiu ni kindu gia bata muno wikite so as my fellow what do I say journalist or media woman or content creator kana marketer all those may God open one way for you hari maundu macio or even 7 ways hari cio ciothe kambuni ku approach ugie na undu ngika even at the comfort of your home thikũ ici atumia ni mararera twana o makirutaga wira online you never know which way God can open for you so huyu rafiki yake mdogo huyu
by the way
atomo please onake athia thaithanirire uhoro ucio na tugukena muno utanaheana namba ciugo ciaku cia muthia kuri first born aria makurire moko-ini ma social na gukari ni iriko
okay kindu kimwe ingenda kuika ati ku advice ne aciari let your kids be kids first born the fact that ni first born timociari ekionake akorona time iyo ya gukura atuike mwana onake afeel niguo ndagakure na maundu mangi because uria ngwirire you attract what you are. Mwana ucio akorwo egukorwo na mawund ngoro-ini yake uririgagwo ni nyamu ni indo iria iramufuata maica-ini make na ni because of something that was missed o haha kiambiriria. Koguo tukorwo ho ciana citu igikura na tureke makorwo ciana ona korwo muciari urahitukira ki ndukana confuse mwana ucio gukorwo mundu mugima na ndukamurash gukura tondu egukura na maundu maya easy suicide zote ni tondu mwana kinyaga handu akaremwo ni go process. Koguo eketuhe ciana space ya gutuika ciana na to include Ngai muno tondu ona kurera ciana ni Ngai akuheaga the wisdom. Koguo na first born kuria mari you are not forgotten. Because kuna hiyo baraka pia ya first born. The seed that you sow because wĩra wothe urutaga it's not in vain. The sacrifice and always remember to pray and know that there is God of the firstborns. Na tuwezi fail.
Ni kweli.
Hata tukipitia nini we always come out as winners.
Amen. And all the best. Na bashi ya kushia thimo tigira mwiroreri haha kuria ngikuona uria witaga social media whichever way ukinyerekaga.
Okay, my number is 07 59 750 058. 07 59 750 058.
Okay. Thank you. Hari undu ungi ukwenda kuongerera?
No njugire o haria mundu ari na the way you will chip in. May God bless you na ndukanage na reke korwo ni mbeu urahanda na Ngai agucokerie nyingi na nyingi.
Amen.
Na tuhoyanire.
Nigo. Thank you. So korwo mwiroreri hau niho tukuhingira tabarira ite omuthi ucio ni Beatrice twaraniria nake and for sure that's a long story ya kuma kuria aumite ginyagia haha akinyite na I can only tell you that Beatrice ni mutumia wiruteire kurera twana twake were it not for the challenges cia ndwari nake angire maguru-ini make ehandite athiete ihenya muno onake gukinyira goals ciake muturire-ini. Can we please bless this firstborn tumuteithiririe kurera twana twake kana guthie kuwa arabatara guthie thibitari ahote kwihanda oro ringi. Namba ciake cia thimu ni akorwo agitunengera o uria tukugite haria kiambiriria. Angikorwo we wi firstborn hari rugano ungienda gushare please share na ithwe. Ungikorwo no wende tuthie kuri firstborn wanyu tuthie mumurathime ona kanyamu kumucokeria ngatho hihi niwe wakorerire niwe waikaraga gwake toguo ngumwirite kuma kiambiriria niwe wakire muci ucio wanyu riria aukire Nairobi akiona mawega akimuthamia kanyumba-ini karia mwari akimwakira kanyumba kaihiga no ukorwo kienda kumu appreciate please let me know on a message no unyandikire no tuma appreciate o guku thiini wa kirathi gia Karo Kinyugo Mwaura. God bless you so much na Ngai rathime Beatrice hamwe na twana twake na hau niho tukuingira tabarire no na kirathi gia Karo Kinyugo Mwaura kikoragwo kirugamirirwo ni Faraja Settlers na bashia Faraja ci hau maguru-ini ma screen yaku. God bless you, bye. Ungikorwo wija wa bururi ndukamake no ukorwo tume mundu uria wihokete makiria whether ni mundu wa family kana ni murata waku ona kana ni ithwe guku kwa Faraja Settlers ni tugutuika maitho maku na tuthie tugwikirire uira bikoni ciaku na wega ni ati guku tutiaga kuheana title deed na hau niho ngukwirite kuma kiambiriria ni ati ni cici ndirathurima cia gukahe client aito aria magurite na makarihia kia kuriha na ndirenda wambe wikire wira na testimonial ya client uyu umwe uria ugurite na ithwe kuria mwena wa Girigiri.
Ritwa riakwa ni Eunice wa Ngari wa Kamau kana wa Njamba na njukite guku kwa Faraja ni undu wa uria ndaiguire mena plot njega plot genuine na ni gikenete niho tondu ni ngurite mugunda nao migunda na migunda iri na ndina title na niwe muranyona ndinayo hau nĩ ndoya taito ya mũgũnda wa kerĩ na nĩ ngenetio mũno nĩo nĩ ũndũ mandwarĩte kahora kahora na matindengeretie na tũtirĩ handũ tũhĩtanĩtie nao ũguo nĩ andũ ega nĩ andũ mangĩtwara mũndũ haraihu na nĩ ngenetio mũno nĩo na nĩ njũkĩte na ciana ciakwa na tũkagĩa mĩgũnda gũkũ ũndũ ũcio nĩ ũngenetie mũno.
Nĩ wakĩyonera ũma na waragania ũrĩa ũrĩ thĩinĩ wa Faraja Settlers kĩrĩa ũrabatara gwĩka nĩ ũke tũikare thĩ tũkorwo tũkĩũrania ĩ hihi mĩgũnda ĩno rĩ ngwĩgwatĩra atĩa. Tũramĩendia na thogora wa cash wa 280,000 Kenya shillings. Ũngĩkorwo hihi mũhuko waku thaa ici ndũikaire wega ndũkamake we ona nĩwe tũrũmbũyagia makĩria tondũ tũragĩkwĩra atĩrĩrĩ woka na deposit ya ciringi 36,000 36,000 Kenya shillings. Ithuĩ kĩrĩa tũgũgwĩka no gũgũcorera plan kega ga kũrĩha mũgũnda waku na ihinda rĩa 24 months. Imagine 24 months ukorwo ukiriha o mweri ciringi 13,500. By the time ihinda riu riragithira ri ndũgĩkorwo na mũgũnda waku ihinda-inĩ ta rĩu ona ithuĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩgwĩtĩkĩria gũkorwo ũgĩciria ũrĩa ũngĩenda gwĩka na mũgũnda ũcio waku. Twagĩkũnengera title deed rĩ ndũgũthiĩ na mbere gũkorwo rĩu ũrĩ we mwene wa mũgũnda ũcio na cost yothe ya transfer ya title deed ĩkoragwo ĩrĩ moko-inĩ maitũ ithuĩ Faraja Settlers na welcome o rĩngĩ na rĩngĩ Saturdays tũthiĩ nawe tũkorwo tũgĩkuonia mĩgũnda kũrĩa kũ Girigiri. It might be what you are waiting for gũkorwo wĩna mũciĩ waku kũrĩa wanecirĩria nĩ kũgũkũingĩ seto na ngorwo na rĩera rĩega rĩa kũrĩma kũndũ ti kũngĩ nĩ Girigiri mĩgũnda ya 50/100. Ona ũngĩenda kũnyitithania broti igĩrĩ wĩ mwĩtĩkĩria tondũ mĩgũnda twĩnayo yaku. Ndakwĩrire ithuĩ tũtietagĩrĩra ũke nĩgetha tũgũre mĩgũnda. Tũgũraga mĩgũnda tũgacoka tũgaikara twĩ busy tũgĩ-subdivide na tũgĩkwethera title cirĩ na waragania nĩgetha we woka ũkwĩgwatĩra mũgũnda waku. Namba citũ cia thimũ nĩ 0705 52 52 52. Aranĩria na ithuĩ kana ũtũcerere thĩinĩ wa wabici citũ haha mwena wa bypass Kamakis twĩ building ĩrĩa ĩna Naivas 2nd floor. Ũkawaranĩria na ithuĩ na nĩ tũgũgũtungata oro wega. Njĩtagwo Carol Kĩnyugo Mwaũra, tũcemanie kũrĩa mwena wa Girigiri.